Display size. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 6.7 inches. OnePlus 12R is 6.78 inches. Display resolution. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 1344 x 2992 pixels, with 489 ppi density. OnePlus 12R is 1264 x 2780 pixels, with 450 ppi density. Display type. Google Pixel 8 Pro is LTPO OLED. OnePlus 12R is LTPO 4AM OLED. Display protector. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. OnePlus 12R is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Operating system. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Android 14. OnePlus 12R is Android 14, Oxygen OS 14. Chipset. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Google Tensor G3. OnePlus 12R is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Processor. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Nonacore processor. OnePlus 12R is Octa-core processor. GPU. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Immortalis G715S MC10. OnePlus 12R is Adreno 740. RAM. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 12 GB. OnePlus 12R is 8 GB, 12 GB, and 16 GB. ROM. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. OnePlus 12R is 128 GB and 256 GB. Front camera. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 10.5 MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. OnePlus 12R is 16 MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 50 MP wide, 48 MP telephoto, and 48 MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. OnePlus 12R is 50 MP wide, 8 MP ultra-wide, and 2 MP macro camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Google Pixel 8 Pro is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. OnePlus 12R is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 5050 mAh battery, with 30 watt fast charging. OnePlus 12R is 5500 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging. Results.